In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ninjatrader to interactive brokers, step by step. We'll start by grabbing the IB gateway from the Interactive Brokers website. Open your browser and head to interactivebrokers.com. Click the login button at the top to reveal the menu, then choose Download IB Gateway. On the download page, click Download for your operating system and run the installer. Once that's finished, launch IB Gateway and sign in with your Interactive Brokers credentials. If you use both live and paper trading, make sure you're logging into the environment you plan to connect to. With IB Gateway open, go to Settings, then API, then Settings. Here, note the socket port number. It's commonly 4001 or 4002, but yours may be different, and NinjaTrader must match it exactly. Next, uncheck Read Only API so NinjaTrader can place and manage orders. For stability, go to the lock and exit section and enable auto restart. This helps the connection recover if it drops. Keep IB Gateway running while we switch over to NinjaTrader. Open NinjaTrader and go to Connections, then Configure. In the available list, find Interactive Brokers and double-click it to add it to your configured connections. Select your new connection to edit its properties on the right. Set Connect using to Gateway, since that's what we just installed. Enter your Interactive Brokers username and password, or enable Ask Password on Connect if you prefer to type it in each time for security. Next, set the auto login path to the ibgateway.exe file. On many systems, this lives in a c/jts/version/folder, but it can vary depending on your installation. Make sure the port here matches the socket port you noted earlier in IB Gateway. Turn on the runtime pop-up handler and SSL options to ensure